Hello, everybody. Good evening. Hope everyone had a really good weekend. If you do celebrate Easter, I hope you had a wonderful Easter. I am back after a nice, relaxing weekend. And I want to kick off a new series titled Consular Processing, right? So we're just going to go over the basic general steps to consular process. Again, if you have a consular processing case or you want to speak to me about your case, you can always call my office, 407-476-5320, 407-476-5320. All right, so let's just go through the steps. We'll do a step a day. And if you have any questions, you can always post them in the comments, or you can always reach out to me via email, hashi@hashirichards.com, or through the contact me portal on my website, which is hashirichards.com. All right, so what is consular processing? So generally speaking, and I use general terms because although I am an attorney, I am not your attorney, right? Until you and I have signed an agreement authorizing our relationship, right? So at this point, I'm just an attorney speaking generally. This is not legal advice. That's my disclaimer. All right, so who can consular process? So consular processing is for applicants that live outside of the United States and they're trying to get a green card and apply for a green card to come to the United States. So when you consular process, even if you start off in the States, in America, you'll end up waiting in your home country while your green card application is processed, okay? And by the way, the process is long. They should call it consular long process because it's months to years at this point. Okay, so if you already can qualify for a green card, either through marriage, through employment, or another type of family relationship, and you are going to file, or you're eligible to file an I-130, or in an employment case, an I-140, then you are one step of the way there to be able to apply for a consular processing. Okay, so the first step, and I'm going to only speak about family based, right? So I'm going to be talking solely about the I-130. I don't do employment immigration, but I refer those out, and I have wonderful colleagues that do those. So let's just speak throughout these steps about family consular processing, okay? So the first step, well, we went over who can apply, which is anyone that can, basically be eligible for an I-130, which is the first step in consular processing, okay? So whether that relationship is through marriage or by another family relation, all right? So that's step one, who can apply. And then once you've determined that you're eligible, then you need to file the I-130, okay? The I-130 is the petition to get everything started, okay? The petition for a marriage green card or another type of family relationship. All right, tomorrow we'll do step two. I know you guys are waiting at the edge of your seat for step two. So we'll be back again tomorrow. All right, you guys, bye.